Hey all, and welcome back. This is going to be a quick little study. It's a painting of a painting. That is what I'm doing here. The painting as my reference picture in that top left corner is the painting that I originally did in ArtRage 6. It was going to be a whole long demo painting of doing the science fiction kind of character art, but the recording got messed up. So here I am just doing a quick study of a little detail of that painting, and very, very important for me to share this with you because of how much I learned about ArtRage 6 and what it can do and how motivating that was to me. So let me tell you about that real quick. Here I'm oil painting with the oil brush, and then once I kind of have a base layer down of all the local color referencing from my reference picture, then I'm going to go on top with my custom brushes, my oil custom brushes, and my gouache custom brushes. And I just call them that because that's kind of what I use in traditional media. It doesn't mean that they're like oils or gouache, that's just kind of what I call them. But I had so much fun with this, I just wanted to share. The paint, the quality of the paint, the mark making, the expressiveness, the big, bold, textural quality. It was so much fun that I really found myself sort of like falling into this. I was really getting enamored with ArtRage all over again. It happens to me a lot of the time, if I don't paint with ArtRage for a while, I find, wow, this is really fun. But this time was special. Historically, I would say that anytime I've done concept artwork or anything that's more like that style, I usually use Photoshop. But this time I tried to give it a go with ArtRage, and here's the thing I found. I could do really cool, high quality work with the perk of it actually looked unique. And as you can see, my finished painting here, that looks and feels real painterly, like real natural media, and it still hits all those notes of being like a character art or character study. And you could give an art director that and they could kind of run with it, but it has a real unique feel. And I think if you're looking for something a little bit off the beaten path, so much concept art looks real similar. Everybody's using the same tools and the same brushes, and there's nothing wrong with that because it all looks so dang good, right? But if you do want to try something a little different, you want to play with some tools that are going to give you a different effect. I felt like ArtRage was really lighting a new path for me, and I had a blast with it. This is probably my favorite sci-fi kind of painting I've ever done in ArtRage, and I've done a handful, but this one was definitely my favorite, and it's encouraging me to get back at it and do some more. So hopefully you enjoy this quick little video showing again a different take, a little different approach on how to use these custom brushes to do some different kind of work. And I was thinking about next time I might paint kind of a traditional figure, like reclined figure on a couch with a lot of fabrics and any kind of traditional thing, but here instead doing something real sci-fi, kind of edgy, and with kind of muted color scheme. So hopefully you dig it, and I had a lot of fun with it. And check out ArtRage. I think I put a link in the description here if you want to check out the demo or give it a shot. Okay, take care guys.